What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo back with another Smokin Metal CarFun video. Today we're gonna go ahead and get into what we was planning on starting yesterday, but it got a little too late. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the body work of the back of the truck and try to see how much damage is underneath of there. You know what I mean? But we still don't get it twisted. We still getting a new bed. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do. You know. So, it's a project truck and a work truck. So, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm not a body man. I'm not a painter. I'm just a man who make things happen with the materials that he have to work with. So, we went and got materials yesterday. So, we got the materials now. We're going to go ahead and get started while we can, while we got a little bit of daylight left. And, see if we can make it look like. See how much ugliness is underneath of these ripples. That's terrible. You know, it ain't gonna be perfect, but we're gonna make it enough to where you might not even know it's there. Let's see how good I can be. Can we work magic? Let's see. Let me grab this nice little sander. Harbor Freight. I'm gonna plug that.
Battery powered. Fun.
Where the goddamn battery?
It didn't come with a battery.
It didn't come with a battery. Are we serious? They really gave me one without a goddamn battery? Wow. Didn't come with it.
Tool only, battery and charger sold separately.
Yeah,
You done messed up.
I didn't even see that shit. Dang.
Look, it says it right there.
Shit. Any things you do to yourself? Wow.
Guess we gotta go back, huh?
Yeah, man.
You returning that one and getting the different one that comes with battery?
Wow.
Or are you just gonna grab the battery?
I don't know.
Let's look and see what kind of battery we need to buy because it didn't come with it. It's right there. It's on the side. I can't read it. I'm blind. You a little upset?
What?
You a little upset?
Just a little.
I think you're a little more than just a little. Having issues.
Yeah, man. I'm this fucked up.
Woo!
Yeah, woo. Fucking right.
The things you buy and not notice what you've done.
I know, right?
Didn't even realize you didn't even get a battery with it. You need some help. Put this in first.
I got it.
Okay. I don't think you do. I don't think you got it. That don't look right. The packing job of someone that's upset because they messed up. You did a good job, huh? Are you actually returning that?
My days, man.
Didn't we say that this was going to happen when we went to the doctors?
What? My day we...
I can't even pull it. There we go. Didn't we say this was going to happen?
It's gonna be a crazy day.
Yeah. So, now I gotta go to Harbor Freight.
Hey, But on a good note, y'all, I got my new tag lights on the truck. Oh, wait. Think you should. Is it in there?
No.
What, did it fall right out?
It's not in. See? It's uneven. It's not in. Okay. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it isn't.
Okay. What's wrong? Oh, you gotta get down. Down on the ground, boy. Down on the ground.
Ow. That hurt.
Hurt yourself.
Oh, I probably should.
Even though I'm gonna pop them back out and touch up the rubber,
In the middle.
metal, all that's going black.
Excuse me, why aren't you twisting? I ain't got no. I can't push.
That's
That rubber's thick.
yeah.
Did you get a twist?
But I want to make sure I twisted the right way.
It won't let you twist the other way. So it'll be fine. Okay. Here.
Teamwork. Teamwork. Oh, look at that.
Okay, that's disconnected.
This one was working. You disconnected it though.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for? Why you ain't just use the pliers? I mean,
I couldn't get it out.
So what's the name? No,
What?
it's not bang on
Use what?
it. It's called a flathead, boy.
I use multiple things, but we're not gonna. Okay.
These kids, that's crazy. Yeah, 'cause this side is already popped.
Only partially. Ugh. Whoa. Just kidding.
Right.
Ooh, that hurt.
Man, is it bolted in the back?
Oh wait, maybe.
Checking and see. Cause gems, they gonna pop out.
Hmm.
Is it bolted?
Don't look like it. Can't tell. Maybe I can't tell. I need a light.
The other one's loose. Man,
That's a lot of room under here.
I know.
Wow. These things look like they're ready to be changed. Oh.
Gunshot!
Oh.
Where you was going, nigga?
I was gone.
Oh, snap.
Oh,
Oh,
Lord.
boy.
I was gone.
Yeah, I caught that. You was out of here.
I lived in Baltimore too long.
Like, I'm in the wind.
You're welcome. Yep. I'm working on it. Excuse me. Yeah, pardon me.
Oh, boy.
Ugh.
You getting real dirty.
I know.
And it seems like for nothing.
Well, I mean, what we've done should not have but taking that should not have been that hard. Yet it was. Okay, that one don't want to go up. Oh well. We'll just leave it and. Okay. That one actually didn't lot easier.
Turn it. Turn it. You got fasten.
Bolt them.
Yeah. Hold on, I want to see if there's some
I bent that. Yep. Bam. There you go. They look nice though.
First mod. First little small mod. New LED lights for the tags. Now, what's next?
What's next is for me to get up off the ground and go and take this.
Oh, okay. That's what's next. My son need to get up. Does your light help? Oh, you gonna just scoop? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You just go ahead and
Hey.
scoop.
How did you feel when you had a cast on?
I
You
did.
wanted to be very independent, did you or did you
I
not?
sure did.
Okay then, leave me alone.
Alright.
My wrist, my wrist.
That's what you get for talking crap. See what happened? I tell them all the time. Karma. Alright.
You had a lifetime.
Now I gotta go to the auto parts store. But wait a minute. No. I might. Nope. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Let's see.
I just
I'm not walking on the edge.
I just noticed that they wrote the word G-A-R go.
You slide
Gargo.
back.
Not even cargo. Just
Right.
Gargo.
Supposed to say gyro.
Gyro?
Mm-hmm. Pick your glove up. Alright. We threw a tail light in there. Now, I actually have a bullet for the antenna.
What?
Yep. So
That's slick.
I'm gonna stop this here so we get situated and I go back to the auto parts store because I'm a little aggravated. So
More aggravation.
catch y'all in a minute.
Dad, you